Day 25. Oh my gosh. One day till the end. The end of the alphabet, at least. The end of the alphabet. Obviously, we'll go on to writing sentences and quotes and stuff like that, but we are almost there in relation to the alphabet. That's amazing. I can't believe I've been this consistent. Anyway, let's get into it. We've got Y today. A very yummy letter. So today is a left side practice of the workbook, so the last letters are going to be a bit of a struggle because this page won't have. Do you know what it is? Oh, I was just mumbling there. I think if I was able to obviously open the workbook wide on my desk, then it'd be so much easier, but I just don't have that space. My workspace is very small, so I have to fold the book, which is the issue for me. Hopefully it won't be an issue for you if you decide to obviously complete this workbook like I am. But yeah, it's funny how that didn't really click in my mind as the issue up until now. I'm a bit like that. Solutions come slowly to me, but they do come. They do come. But anyway, we've got the Y today. Lots of loops and turns, but I think it is a relatively straightforward letter to scribe. Okay, starting the freehand. Nice. I feel like we need a wider gap here, don't we? Bit of a gap there as well. Maybe a little bit too tight there. And that's something to get used to, having that little bit of a gap there. That doesn't necessarily feel natural, but I feel like it looks better aesthetically. Gonna make this less pointy, a little bit sharper there. Also got to talk about this as we are coming to the end of our alphabet series here. Can you believe we've come to the end of the career of Rafael Nadal? If you did not know, I am a huge tennis fan and sort of got into tennis during the Serena, Federer, Rafa era. Obviously Djokovic was there, but he only became a factor kind of later on. Oops, no gap there. But I can't believe this is how you know you're getting older. I have lived through a career of an athlete. Kind of already got used to the fact that he's not on the tour, but that reality of knowing that after this year I'm never going to see him play professionally again, that is so sad. Serena is my go, and I love Rafa. I do love Rafa, I really do. And I've grown to love Federer as well, so his retiring was tough as well. But anyway, we are so off topic here. We're going on to the uppercase Y. Very similar in vibe to the lowercase. We're just starting further up and making it wider, but the bottom part, it's pretty much the same, isn't it? Okay, I might leave these ones because I don't think you guys can quite see that. I'll do this one, but I might miss it on the next line. If you're unable to see it, it's not worth it. So do you know what, we're just going to focus on up to here. We'll just leave it as that. Oh, trace well, girl, trace well. gosh, I need to redo my nails. They are growing quite well, but the strengthener's peeling off, and I tend to leave it. As I'm sure, well, if you've watched my other video, you would know that I'm not the best person when it comes to my nails. Like, my nails have always been okay, so I feel like they've never needed that care and attention, but I do want to be intentional about looking after them right now. So I've bought a few more products from Sally Hansen, and I'm going to start working on the growth and strength of the nails. I can already see an impact, to be honest. They're so much stronger than they were just a couple of weeks ago. But yeah, need to definitely do an update video on the nail journey, which I will do. But anyway, today we are concentrating on the letter Y. Let's try and keep the focus and not get distracted, so we can be our best selves when we are writing this letter. This is really fun to write. This is a fun letter to write, for sure. Just made that didn't go down low enough there. Last one on this row. There we go. The final row. What a beautiful letter this is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Doesn't it look so pretty on the page? It really does. Lost it there a little bit. There we go. Last one. Well, and we are done with day 25. Last day tomorrow for the letter series. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. See you tomorrow.